Have you ever wondered what lies behind a perfect image on social media? Today, you will discover the story and impact of Swatti, a woman who represents far more than beauty. She represents luxury, a premium lifestyle, and success in the digital era. In a world dominated by influencer marketing, fashion, and personal branding, Swatti stands out for her magnetic presence and impeccable aesthetic. But beyond appearances, her image is carefully built as a strong personal brand, aligned with the luxury lifestyle, international fashion, and global beauty trends. Her content combines elegance, confidence, and a powerful visual identity. This not only attracts followers, but also creates opportunities for brand deals, exclusive collaborations, and strategic partnerships with high-value companies. In today's digital economy, image becomes an asset and visibility turns into income. The digital entrepreneurship industry has changed the rules of the game. Today, content creators like Swatti can monetize their presence through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, premium advertising, and passive income strategies. Social platforms make it possible to transform followers into a community and community into real financial opportunities. However, success does not happen by chance. It requires strategy, SEO positioning, consistency, and a deep understanding of the online market. Personal branding has become a form of investment. The right image, the right message, and the right audience can generate scalable income over time. Swatti represents that combination of beauty and business vision. Her aesthetic conveys confidence, sophistication, and ambition. And in today's world, where content is king, standing out means mastering both visual storytelling and digital strategy. This type of digital presence also opens doors to investments in online businesses, e-commerce, and international collaborations. The digital ecosystem allows influence to be transformed into real assets. Ultimately, beyond being a super beautiful woman, Swatti symbolizes a new generation of women who use technology, digital marketing, and strategic branding to build financial independence and position themselves in global markets. If you are interested in the world of luxury lifestyle, digital entrepreneurship, and how to turn your image into a profitable brand, this kind of story demonstrates that modern success combines aesthetics, strategy, and business vision. The future belongs to those who know how to adapt, invest in their personal brand, and understand the power of digital marketing.